doing? Tsahi here. Tonight we're talking makeup. Wahala 2. So excited. I don't know if you all remember the Wahala 1 palette. Let me see if I have it. I first saw this, I was like, I just have to have it. And I got it. But I didn't take very good care of it. So one color is missing and my nail dug into this some time ago, so I have to fix that. Anyway, so when Wahala 2 came out, the girl made sure and jumped on the train. And luckily for me, I got it during the Black Friday sales. So tonight we're just going to be playing with some of these colors. Wahala means drama, and do you see this? Like, get into it, get into it. It's gorgeous. I swatched these already, so while I'm talking, I'll just show the swatches row by row. Look at the blues, y'all. It's so gorgeous, it really is. So we're just gonna play with a few of the colors. Some of my favorites while I was swatching was definitely this one up here. It's called Fake. It looks magenta-ish, but then there's a little green. Let's see if you all could see that. Gorgeous. Look at that. You'll see in the green and the two color sort of just pretty. Alright, just pretty. So today's not a tutorial. Like I say, I'm just gonna play around with some colors. You all would have seen these swatches. Before I put on the colors, let me just apply some of this base. This is the Arlene Villarreal AV Pro eyeshadow base. So I'm just gonna put some on my hand and then put some on my lid. With this you want to go in really lightly because it's very thick and you don't want it to be too, you don't want too much to go on there because it will be too tacky. So for this look, I'm gonna play around with these two rows here. Yeah. So let me start with my transition shade, and for that I'll just probably use either one of them or both of them. Let's see how it goes. I think I'll stick to this one more. Oh, if you'll notice, I already put on my base and my powder is baking here, and just to speed up the process because it was really about the eyes today. I'm going to see what this color does. Oh, so yes, it is like a matte dark brown color. I'm just feathering the outside because I want it to remain nice and pronounced in the corner there. These colors are very pigmented, so definitely take some time to get those lines blended out. So stick with it, don't stop, keep blending. I'm actually taking a little bit of the Oya, that is the shimmery dark brown here. Yeah, there you go. Just gonna take some of that and see what it does here. I don't know if I have everything that I just filmed just now because I thought I was recording, and based on what I've seen, it doesn't look like I was. So Let me just run through what I did. And this thing not focusing. I just used this crushed orange glitter on my lids, and I put some of this iridescent royal blue violet just like halfway into my underlid. I don't know if I was recording or feeling like, what was I doing this whole time? Yeah, anyway, let me just finish up this and we'll come back. All I did was just put on my lashes and cleaned up powder, put on a little bit of blush, a little bit of highlight, nothing much. Let's see what we could put in the outer corners for just a little bit of drama, Wahala. Just a little bit. So for this one, I'll dab a little bit of Venom, see how that looks. It's a bright, I don't know what you call this, a teal or what? What would some added oomph. Zhuzh it up. Is it fair? Yeah, I don't know, man. I really don't know. I really hope that. And I'm just afraid to check to see if I actually did film it or not. So yeah, this is basically the completed eye look. Courtesy Wahala. Let me just finish up the lips. And I already have lip liner, so I'll just use the Sacha lip gloss. It's called Bestie. This is the lash glue liner from Bougie Glam. I think I paid $100 for it, and the easiest application for my lashes in a long time. But if you want additional hold, you can still go in with your lash glue and then put the liner over it. So all in all, I love Juvia's Place, and Wahala 2 is no different to any of the palettes that I have. I'll do another video showing you my small collection. It's not much, and there are many that I still want just because I want it. And yeah, so thanks so much for joining me for this makeup Let's Play in Makeup. It's a series, so that will be the name of this series, Let's Play in Makeup.